All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. Now, the top is 4 single caps, which is a perm style look. Each tooth is an individual cap, all right, and the bottom is the 2 caps with the front bar and the diamond dust finish. And this is 10K gold. Okay, it's not plated gold, it's actual solid 10K gold, guys. It is available on our website. You'll see the links in the description here for the top and the bottom. It's handmade for a perfect fit, so you're gonna get a nice grill set that's gonna fit you perfectly, guys. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. All right, well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.